Today is one of my absolute favorite days because today is day 7 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Today we get to do something super duper fun that I love doing every single day, and that is selecting our clothes the night before. Today we're going to go into our wardrobe and pick out the clothes that we would like to wear for tomorrow. Once again, the twist is to pick something super duper fun and accessorize. Be sure to do that tonight. If you're going somewhere, be sure to look at the weather so you don't get caught off guard. So let's go to our wardrobes and select the clothes that we plan to wear tomorrow. If you have littles like me, bonus if you choose their clothes as well. Wasn't that so much fun? So today we're going to add this to our habits, and so far we have shining our sinks in the night, getting dressed to shoes in the morning. We're also saying to ourselves kind words, and bonus if we say it to someone else as well. We recently added the hot spots, which is 2 minutes of decluttering on our flat surfaces, and now we are picking out our clothes the night before. We're really getting so far ahead in this challenge, and I'm so excited to see you tomorrow for day 8 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye!